Good morning. This is a recording for Tuesday, January 16th. As you can see, it's still very dark, and I'm using a light outside that may or may not go off. So if it goes off and it becomes pitch black, don't worry, I'm still here. So today I'm gonna read another essay from the Book of Awakening by Mark Nepo. And the title of this one is Instead of Breaking. The glass blower knows, while in the heat of beginning, any shape is possible. Once hardened, the only way to change is to break. With the precise tools of modern medicine, unborn children who are malforming or experiencing obstructions can now be operated on in utero. Profoundly, these state-of-art techniques reveal a deep, timeless truth about growth and healing. For just as amazing as the fact of these operations is the fact that these surgeries leave no scars when the infant is born. What this tells us is that if we tend to do things at the deepest level, our repair will be so much a part of who we are that there will be no scar. It is easier to bend underneath the surface in the deep, timeless fluid of the beginning than to break once fully grown. But it is too late for me, you might say. I am already fully grown. Not so, for in the world of our inwardness, we are always growing and are blessed to carry that fluid beginning within us. It is never really out of reach. We can return and begin again and again by facing ourselves. In this way, we can go below our hardened ways to the soft impulses that birth them. Instead of breaking the bone of our stubbornness, we can nourish the marrow of our feeling unhurt. Instead of breaking the bone of our fear, we can cleanse the blood of our feeling unsafe. And instead of counting the scars from being hurt in the world, we can find and re-kiss the very spot in our soul where we began to withhold our trust. Wow, what a beautiful reflection, isn't it? So now let's do a little practice around it. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Nice and soft breath. Allow it to be completely natural. And don't try to watch your breath like a hawk. It's not really about focusing on your breathing. It's about feeling yourself breathe in and out as a body. See if you can find spaciousness in your breathing, letting all the experiences of the present moment flow through you as energy that they are. Now bring to mind an aspect of your personality that tends to get in the way. It might be your own brand of stubbornness or distrust or envy. See if you can contact this aspect of you from all angles. How does it feel in your body? what thoughts, what emotions are being evoked as you reflect on it. No judgment, just awareness, compassionate abiding in what is. And as you breathe steadily, naturally, softly, allow yourself to trace the trait of your personality to its soft beginning. If this is something about fear, perhaps the beginning of it is feeling unsafe. If it's about stubbornness, perhaps the beginning of it is feeling unheard. Whatever it is for you, find the soft beginning impulse of this aspect of your personality that you're reflecting on. And without trying to change anything about it, simply surround the soft inner spot with your love and compassion. Repeat after me silently or out loud. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel protected, cared for, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. Let's do this loving kindness first 2 more times together. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel protected, cared for, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. And for the last round, maybe place your hands on your heart, on one hand on your heart and the other on your belly. Or maybe give yourself a gentle hug, surrounding yourself literally with your own love and compassion. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel protected, cared for, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. And as you gently let go of your practice, as always, take a moment to scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now. Physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue this reflection and see if you can incorporate this practice into your life. So whenever you notice some aspect of your personality that tends to get in the way, that you find challenging or unwanted, trace the trait to its soft beginning so that you can heal at a deeper level, Allow yourself to surround the soft inner spot with your love, with your compassion, letting go of any judgment. And see if this changes your experience of yourself in any way. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day. Tomorrow is Wednesday, Lorna's breathing practice, and I will see you on Thursday.